So today we're going to be doing some upgrades to the Vauxhall Corsa to make it look a whole lot better. Not only is this mod going to look sick, it only cost 100 quid.
So what is it exactly? Not a box.
As you can see, we have got a debadged grill. This is going to replace the current grill, which is looking kind of boring. I don't see many Corsa E's with this grill, so when I do, it always catches my eye. So I really hope it's going to make this stand out. So let's get to it. So the first thing we have to do is take off this entire front bumper. I'm not sure how to do it, so I'm going to figure that one out.
First I bolted 3 T15 screws out of the 2 wheel arches. These are a pain to get to, so we had to change the direction of the wheels face inwards. Then we had 3 T20 screws on the bottom and 4 T15s under the bonnet. However, when I was doing the 3 under the car, this is when the first problem occurred.
And of course, it wouldn't be a CDB video without problems. There is a screw on the bumper underneath that we don't know, if we just can't get it out. It could be rounded, I don't know, but just of course we have these problems.
Okay, crisis averted for now. All we've done is just ignored it, so let's hope it doesn't come back to haunt us. Now I'm unscrewing the T15s on the bonnet, and then it's time to clip the bumper off.
Right, as you can see, the bumper is finally off, and that was an absolute mish. That was a mission. But now it is off. All we should have to do now is take off the grill, and it's no way it's going to be hard in taking off the bumper. Please.
The bumper was extremely hard to take off, and just my luck, the grill was also just as hard. But we finally did it.
Finally, it's off. Oh my God, guys. It is finally off. We started this at 11 o'clock. It's now 3 o'clock. So the sun is gonna set in about half an hour. So we are now on a race against time. As you can see, the sun is about to set. What we've got to do, we've got to plug the new grill, which is that it right there, into the bumper, and then somehow put the bumper all on in time before the sun sets. This is going to be tough, but I think we could do it. Let's go. Okay, guys, we got another problem. We have to paint this crash bar here, because if we don't, then when the new grill is on, you'll see a big white line. Now, I've seen this on other cars, the big white line, and it is terrible. So we quickly, before the sun goes down, we have to spray the crash bar. All right, so as you can see, it's already got one coat. We're gonna do a second coat right now. My dad is over there popping in the grill, and as you can see, it already looks amazing. But we're still on the race against sunset, which, as you can see, the sun isn't even out anymore. So we're gonna have to do this really quick. Okay, guys, second coat is on. The light is disappearing very fast. It is on. It is looking great, and I'm not gonna lie, I know it's not actually on yet, but I think this might be one of the best mods we have ever done on this car, and I'm really happy for it. And because it's pretty much a budget mod, it only costs 100 quid. I just hope it all goes to plan, putting it on, putting the bumper back on. And actually been able to see it in the day, but I don't think that's going to happen. But let's see. Right, guys, it is all finished. Guys, as you can see, we have only just done it, but there's a reason why I'm not showing you the grill. Because it is night time, so that means it's going to be terrible lighting to get some good shots. So tomorrow, when I get out of bed, first thing I'm gonna do is record some nice shots of the new grill. So let's go. All right, guys, it is now daytime, as you can see, and I'm just going to show you it in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, that is the end of today's video. As you can see, the grill looks absolutely amazing. I'm so glad we ended up putting it on yesterday, even though it was really fucking hard. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see every single one of you guys in the next video. Goodbye guys.